Welcome to this technical guide on the HP14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP14 is running dead slow, you're not alone. Many users experience sluggish performance due to a failing hard drive. When the hard drive starts to fail, it can cause system delays, unresponsive applications, and ultimately, loss of data. If left unchecked, this can lead to a complete system failure, making your device unusable. So, it's crucial to address this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a replacement hard drive, and a plastic opening tool. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the HP14. It's important to be gentle here to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the hard drive, which is typically secured by a couple of screws. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver and gently disconnect the hard drive from its connector. Be careful not to pull too hard, as there might be cables attached. Now, take your replacement hard drive and connect it to the same connector. Ensure it fits snugly. Secure the hard drive in place with the screws you removed earlier, making sure not to over-tighten them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new hard drive is in place, carefully replace the back cover of your HP14, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Power on your device and check that everything is functioning as it should. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly back up your data and consider upgrading your hard drive to a solid-state drive, which offers better performance and reliability. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.